What's up? I know it's getting very boring right now, but this is the time where you have to pay attention. I want to speak with you about today Bitcoin, Ethereum and Luna, especially Luna, very important. Let's go into the charts, and we are watching right now Bitcoin on the daily chart, and you see we are still in this rising symmetrical triangle, which is a bullish sign, right? And we closed also yesterday the daily candle within this symmetrical rising triangle. So right now we are going the 4 hourly, and I want to say you a very, very important information in my opinion. So what happened last time when we saw a sideways action and it's getting tinier and the volume decreasing? Let's go back into the near past. And what happened? You see this also what I told you guys last time. You see sideways action and you see volume is decreasing. What happened after it? We saw a huge pump, so huge volatility. I told you about this huge volatility which is coming, which will coming. So, and right now I tell you again, you have to be right now prepared that we will see either today or Sunday night, because the stock market in China will open, or because of 9:30 and Monday the US market will open. We'll see huge pump or a dump. A huge volatility we will see, huge. So we will not see small pump or dump. This will be a huge volatility like you saw this on the past. Why? Because volume decreasing and we see the sideways action. Very important right now for us. So right now it's still valid what I told you yesterday. If we break 39,000, let's say better if we break 38,700 with the clear volume to the downside, red volume and a red candle, we can set a short position if we, and it close to 4 hourly, if we break above the 4 hourly EMA ribbon with a clear volume, with a clear buying volume, with a clear 4 hourly green candle, we can make a long position, right? Long position at least to the level of this. Let me make it a little bit more, at least to 43,700, and the next take profit area would be at 45,000, right? So if we measure it, let's measure it from here. So it would be 9.8%. So on 10x average 98%, so approximately 100%, let's say, on 5x average 50%, right? And if we go further up, so it would be even, let me check, even 140% 10x average, and then 5x average would be 70%, right? To the downside we can go, our profits area would be, let me check again for you. So it would be the first profit area would be at 37,000 approximately, 40%, 5x average 20%. The second would be 36,500, 5x average 6%, 60% on 10x average, 5 on 5x average 30%, and 35,000 would be the next area, which would be on 10x average 100%, 5x average 50%, right? So this is a clear sign for us where we can long or short, right? And for 38,700 approximately we go short. If we break above the EMA ribbon, we go long, right? And also don't forget to claim your bonus. Be prepared right now for this move with your bonus 8,200 for free after initial deposit on Bybit and Femix. Link down below is 1 minute registration. It's very important that you get right now prepared for this move. This is the next huge opportunity for us, right? We will see this opportunity because look at this volume. There's no volume right now, no selling and no buying volume right now. The same you see on Ethereum, exactly the same. So if we will see pump at least at 2,770 approximately, right? At least if Bitcoin pump, if Bitcoin dump, we will see at least to 2,500 dump, right? So there is also huge opportunity, and usually Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin to the up or to the downside. So we have to watch what will do Bitcoin here right now. And now let's go to Luna, guys, because Luna is very, very, very important. I spoke to Luna. I spoke with you about Luna when it was, and we make a lot of profit on Luna. You remember, right? We spoke Luna when Luna was approximately, I think something like here. or something like here. So it was about 40, I think. Yes. And I told you about this, so it looked like something like that, right? And I told you about this rising channel, and I told you if we break above here, we see pump, and this is what we saw exactly. We saw this pump, right? And then I told you about that support line, right? And we find the support here, we find double support on the channel and the line. Then we had here a small support, right? And we fall again in this channel. We broke out and we find the resistance exactly on our previous support line, right? And right now, what will happen with Luna? So if you are, let me go quickly back. So Luna is very important. I think Luna will heavily outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum, in my opinion. If you're not familiar with Luna, make your own research on Luna. I think this is a huge project, and I will invest right now also in Luna again, because we make. I go in Luna when it was about 40, I think, something like here, and I sold Luna here approximately, right? So and right now I'm preparing again to buy Luna, and I think if Bitcoin further dumps, we will find the support at 78, or if we go on the 4 hourly, there is another support line which we have to watch out. This is, let me change the color to make it a little bit thicker so you see it, and it's different color. So another support line would be now let me check. This is not so nice. I didn't remember how I drew the line. Jobbed with my blood. This was. Yeah, this is right. Because you see here we find support, here's resistance, here's support, and here. So we could find at 80, 84, 83 approximately support, right? This is also a support if Bitcoin dumps, but I hope that we will see dump even to 78, because this will be even a better position to buy into Luna. Because I think if you right now buy into Luna, there is a huge potential that it will, even if it fall further down, you can dollar cost average in Luna, and you will make huge profits. It's not a financial advice. Do your own research, please. But you can buy just through spot, because Luna will, in my opinion, we can see Luna goes even to, let me check quickly. I going on the daily, and let me put out the, if I even watch here, so we can see Luna at 160 or even 200, 250 easily. If Bitcoin will pump, we will see easily Luna at 250 easily, in my opinion. So therefore I buying Luna right now. I will buy Luna if we see even I hope to see Luna at 77, 78, so to find a resistance, find support on this huge rising channel, or even to fall further down to 60, right? Then I will even more buy Luna, because I see here huge potential. And if we break this support line at 120, 100, 106, 107 approximately, this resistance line, we will see Luna to 160. I'm very, very sure easily, even if Bitcoin in a sideways action. Why? Please make your own research on Luna, then you will understand why I'm so bullish on Luna. So therefore, watch out for Luna. Very, 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 very good project in my opinion. So yes. And if Bitcoin still will be in this huge rising symmetrical triangle, I'm expecting, like I told you the last days, da jobany w rot. Let me check again. I approximately, it was at 55,000, yeah. At 55,000, this is what I'm expecting to see Bitcoin if we break above that channel at 45,000, right? They're coming a lot of resistance, which I told you. Last time 50,000 big psychology border, right? Or we will see also 46,000 is a big border, or 48,000, because you see here a lot of resistance, support and resistance. But this is on the daily, which we have to see, watch out. But all in all, we have to, if we want to see Bitcoin again to go bullish, because this is like, you know, in a downtrend, it's normally that we see some pumps and dumps, and again a huge pump and a dump, and we are going further down, or we see sideways action. This is what you see also in the bear market, and we are right now in a bear market. But to be really, and we can use this small pumps and dumps where we can long and short Bitcoin. This is what I talk right now about you 1 second ago. But to be really bullish again on Bitcoin, we have to see, like I told you, every time 2 weekly candles above the EMA ribbon, closing above the EMA ribbon. This is when we are again in a bullish mode, again in a bullish market back again. But it would be nice, but we can use the small actions which Bitcoin does in the sideways action into the bear market, and take the small pumps with long position, or small dumps with the short position, right? So therefore, guys, on the 4 hourly, watch on the 4 hourly. If you break above EMA ribbon, we are longing Bitcoin. If we break below 38,700, we are shorting Bitcoin, and we will see huge volatility. Very important. But wait until at least one 4 hourly candle will close to be sure to long or short Bitcoin, right? So guys, tell me your opinion. Tell me your opinion on Luna. Tell me your opinion on Bitcoin and Ethereum. What are you doing? Are you right now in a position? And have you any questions? Don't forget about the bonus 8,200. Be prepared for a long on Bybit and Phoenix after initial deposit, 1 minute registration. Link down below. And yes, if you have any question, write link down below. Also, thank you very much for your warm-hearted comments, like you make huge profits, or I saved you money because of this, what you watched, and after you did your own research. This is very motivating me, guys. Write down below your opinion. I kiss you and see you later in the evening, or yes, in the evening. It's very beautiful here. I am right now here in Big Apple, New York. Very, very nice here. So guys, I kiss you and I see you in the evening. Mwah.